Good morning, students. Today start a new lesson, Unit 3, Periodic Classification of Elements. First, introductions. Millions of chemical compounds existing in nature. Millions of chemical compounds existing in nature. The different composition properties found less than 100 naturally occurring. 100 naturally occurring. The discovery of elements linked to human civilization. Human civilizations. In Stone Age people used for metals, knowing that are elements. Now, fashion in daily life, we are find out many number of elements discovered in 1789. Lavoisier. From France. Which country means France? Published first list of chemical elements containing 23 elements only discovered. After several experiments will be doing. Again, Lavoisier classified into 4 group of elements. What are the 4 group means? First one, acid making elements. Second one, gas-like elements. Third one, metallic elements. Fourth one, earthly elements. First, acid making elements. What are the elements? Means sulfur, phosphorus, and carbon. 3 elements only obtained. Gas-like elements means example light and heat. So oxygen, nitrogen, last one hydrogens. That is for gas-like elements. Next, third type. Third type, metallic elements. First row, cobalt, mercury, tin, Sn. Second type, copper, nickel, iron. Third type, gold, lead, Pp, silver, Ag, and zinc. Fourth type, manganese, Mn, tungsten. Fifth type, platinum. That is for metallic elements. That fourth type, earthly elements. Earthly elements means first one, lime. That lime means calcium oxide is called lime. Second one, magnesia. Magnesia means magnesium oxide is called magnesia. Third one, beryllite. Barium sulfate is called beryllite. Fourth one, argilla. Aluminum oxide, Al2O3. Fifth type, silex. Silicon dioxide. Silicon dioxide. The fifth also is called which one? A3 elements. Next, classification of elements. Classification of elements means coming to 19th century. Scientists are discuss that no list of the known elements will be increases. Currently, how much element present means 118 element presents. So out of 118 elements, 92 elements only. 92 elements only found in atomic number wise. Found in atomic number list will be followed. That is nature. That is nature. After several attempts will be happen the scientist. They effectively utilization these elements. Several attempts classified of the elements. Lastly proposed classified by atomic weight. Atomic weights. The construction of the proper periodic table by atomic weight. In 1817, one of the scientists coming away, which one means J.W. Dobner, Dobner, classified into some of the element. Example, chlorine, bromine, iodine. All are is the similar properties. All are is the similar properties. Similar properties. So similar properties obtained. So what will be three element is called the scientists called triads. Triads. That limiting number of element based in group of triads. Next, propanol triads. Elements in the triad, atomic weight, middle element, important. Average atomic weight, remaining elements. See the three examples. First one, lithium, sodium, potassium. Middle of the element atomic number 23. So remaining element 7 plus 39 divided by 2, so equal to 23. Second example, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So middle of the element 80, remaining 35.5 chlorine plus 127 iodine divided by 2 equal to 81.25. Next, third case, calcium, Ca calcium, Sl strontium, Ba barium. So middle of the element 88. So first one, calcium 40, barium 137 divided by 2, addition means 88.5. So this concept cannot exist. Why means some of the triads have nearly same atomic numbers, same atomic mass. Example, iron, Fe, cobalt, Co, Ni, nickel. The three elements atomic number will be same, and another also present, rubidium, rhodinium, palladium. These three atomic number will be same. Next OS astronium, that IR iridium, PT platinum. The three elements also will be atomic number same. So propanol triad will be fail. So another scientist coming 1862, who means AEB D. Chacontens. Report the correlation between elements, their atomic weight, the properties, body of the properties, atomic number, properties of atomic number. These scientists will be subjected. Properties of numbers. The scientist told atomic number increasing size, atomic number increasing order, but finally did not attract much attention. So this statement also failed. Next scientist 1864. Next 1864 J. Newland. Coming what told means increasing order of atomic weight, loss of active phase. Next Newland octaves. Newland octaves means lithium 7, beryllium 9, boron 11, carbon 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, fluorine 19, sodium 23, magnesium 24, aluminum 27, silicon 29, phosphorus 31, sulfur 32, chlorine 35.5, potassium 39, calcium 40. In 1868, Lothar Meyer developed the properties. Lothar Meyer developed the properties. What developed means physical properties, some as atomic volume, second melting point, third boiling point, fourth atomic weight against. Who developed in 1868? Lothar Meyer developed atomic wall, melting point, boiling point, atomic weight. That observed periodic table. After Dietrich Mendeleev, the properties of element, periodic function of the atomic weight only. Properties of periodic function, their atomic number only. This is called periodic law. Finally, periodic law. Finally, Dietrich Mendeleev observed. First periodic table followed by a periodic law only. How many elements only listed means 70 elements only listed. First periodic table consists how many elements means 70. Which follow means atomic weight based on the periodic law. You see the book table 3.4 showing 3.4. You see the table. First periodic table. This periodic table have left some of blank face. Blank face will be appear. No elements, no known elements, no known elements. Such means properties at that time. So here and other predict physical and chemical properties. Missing elements also present. Missing elements also present. Evenly missing elements were discovered from the predicate. For example, gallium. For example, gallium group of number 3 and germanium also missing elements. Group 4. Gallium group 3. Germanium group 4. That unknown at the time. Mendeleev predict existing properties. He referred predicting properties in aluminium, and silicon. The aluminium and exaluminum is table number 3.5 will be given. See the tables. The Mendeleev periodic table also similar properties placed in different groups. Dissimilar properties placed in same group. And another one confusion is also present. Higher atomic number placed in FIPO. Higher atomic weight also before produced. Lower atomic number will be later. Atomic weight also present. So many confused for this Mendeleev periodic table. So this periodic table also not considered. That 1913 Henry Morse will be coming. Henry Morse. In 1933, Henry Morse what studies means characteristics of X-ray spectra. Several elements bombarding high energies. So that scientist followed by one expressions. Root nu equal to A into Z minus B. That nu is called frequency. Z is called atomic number. And A and B is called constant for all the elements. Constant for all the elements. That scientist proved that plotted root of nu against Z means what obtained means straight line will be obtained. We can determining atomic number, unknown new elements also, frequency X-ray emitted. Unknown new elements also X-ray emitted. Based on the work modern periodic table developed by physical and chemical properties. Of the elements periodic function periodic functions based on atomic number. Final conclusions. This is for modern periodic law. Now similarly arrange the periodic table. How to arrange the periodic table means 18 vertical columns. 18 vertical column and 7 horizontal rows. That vertical column is called what means groups. That means periodic table having how many groups? 18 groups. In horizontal row is called periods. In periodic tables, how many periods? 7 periods only. Now will be follow. Which recommendation means that IUPAC recommendation will be followed. That IUPAC means International Union Pure and Applied Chemistry will be recommendations. So will be followed. Each period have general outer electronic configuration. Central outer electronic configurations will be followed. What configuration means? First NS1 end with NS2 NP6. That what is meant by N means? N means principal quantum number. That means period number. N means period number and also principal quantum number. Principal quantum number. You will see principal quantum number later. The alpha principle first apply. What principle? Alpha principle will be applied. Alpha. In your book, table number 3.7 will be given 18 groups and 7 period also showing and a lot of atomic number, symbol, electronic configuration will be given. For example, one metal taken means boron. Boron atomic number write above. Below write general, especially 2s2, 2p1. This is for electronic configuration. This is for symbol. For atomic number will be that type will be given the table number 7 periodic classification, periodic table, modern periodic table. That already told previously 1 to 92 elements only presents the atomic number. Atomic number greater than 100 means how to element discover, how to discover suggested that IUPAC guidance will be given. IUPAC guidance will be given. Table number 3.8. Table number 3.8 digits root observations. Digits means first 0. That root means NIL nil. That observation means N. First one completed. Second one 1. 1 means UN. That observations U. Next third one 2. 2 means by means B. Next 3. Try, TRI, try symbol T. Next fourth one quota, quat symbol Q. Fifth one pent, so P. Sixth one X, symbol H. Seventh one Sveta, S. Eighth one octa. O. Ninth one En. So En. That is the table number 3.8 greater than 100. This is the first rule. Digits root observation is see the table 3.8 in your book. Second rule, numerical root. Numerical root corresponding to atomic number put together end IUM. That means added suffix. Added suffix. Next, third rule. The finally n of en is omitted, written as NIL. That means en plus NIL equal to ENIL. Similarly, I of by and try also omitted. That means IUM before BI plus IUM equal to BIUM. Fourth point, the symbol of new element derived from first letter of numerical. First letter of numerical roots. We will see the example given table number 3.9. I will explain also. First one, 101. 101 means that one is called UN. One is called UN. That 0 is called NIL. 0 is called NIL. Again 1 is called UN. Again n is called UN. After suffix added IUM. You understand? That means digital root and observation very important. You have to memory. Otherwise we will not continue for greater than 100 elements. That another one also I will explain. 1 or 2. 1 means UN. 0 means NIL. 2 means by. That by how to write BI plus IUM, BIUM. So added UM only. You clearly understand? Second one. So followed table number 3.9. Next, grouping elements. Grouping elements. How to organize the periodic table? How to organize means 7 periods and 18 groups. That will be organized periodic table. That is called modern periodic table. Modern periodic table or law. Next, the placement of element periodic table closely related to which one means outer electronic configuration. Outer cell electronic configuration will be followed. Outer electronic configuration will be closely related. That one of the groups means first group means NS1. Second group means NS2. That time will be generally outer electronic configuration will be followed. Next, variation of electronic configuration along the period. The first period. The first period means what obtained means 1s orbital only occupied. That 1s orbital means only 2 electrons. Only 2 electrons only occupied. So first period how many elements means 2 elements only obtained. 2 elements only obtained. Second period Second period consists of how many means 2s orbital, 2s orbitals, followed by how many 2s orbital followed by 3 2p orbitals, 3 2p orbitals. Totally how many electrons means 8 elements will be followed, 8 elements will be followed. Next, third period. Third period consists of followed by 2s followed by 3s orbitals followed by 3p orbitals also. So totally third periods containing. Next, fourth period containing. Fourth period containing filling the valence electron 4s orbital followed by 3d orbitals and 4p orbitals. These orbitals also followed by, which means alpha principle only followed. Alpha principle only followed. Table number 3.10 we will explain is clearly. Periodic number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Orbitals start the orbital and end the orbitals. That is for E. Next, number of elements present in the one period. Next, elements, first element and last element will be given. First period orbital started 1s. Ending also 1s. So here go to here. The how many elements means only 2 elements. First element hydrogens, 1s1. Last element helium, 1s2. Second period started with 2s. So arrow mark come to here. Arrow mark come to here. That up to the end of the orbital 2p. Arrow mark go to here. You understand or not? Total elements 8 only. So first element lithium, 2s1. Last element neon, 1s 2s2 2p6, 2s2 2p6. Next, third period. Third period starting 3s. So 2p after go to 3s. 3s after go to 3p. So total elements here also third period 8 elements. Starting element sodium 3s1. Ending element argon 3s2 3p6. That when front of the number is called periods only. The second period, second period, second period. This is for third period, third period, third period. Next fourth, 4s. Starting 4s. So 3p after go to 4s. 4s after go to 3d and followed by 4p. Followed by 4p. Here total elements 18. Starting element potassium 4s1. Ending element krypton 4s2 4p6. Next fifth one 5s starting. So 4p after go to 5s. 5s after 4d. 4d after 5p. So here also how many elements? 18. Starting rubidium 5s1. Ending xenon 5s2 5p6. Next sixth period. That 5p after go to 6s. Go to 4f after 5d after 6p. Here total elements 32. So cesium 6s1. Radon 6s2 6p6. Next last one 6p2 7s. 7s go to 5f. 5f go to 60 last 7p. Here also how many elements means 32. First element francium 7s1. Last element orchestron OG 7s2 7p6. This is for alpha principle. Total 7 period. How to fill up orbitals? Number of elements, first element, last element. Table number 3.10 will be given. You have to memory first. That one more side electronic configurations. That middle of the element, how to write the electronic configurations. All are based on this table only. So you have to memory and revise many more times.